So, so hopefully you people are seeing that DSM and all, how to do regular expression and how to do DSM and all. So even Nikhil has seen how to set up your DSM editor and creating a customized DSM and all. So today's lecture is towards, and even we have seen how to download various components. See, something like application related QRadar, application related upgrades, and WinCollect related data, and followed by third party application and all. So that was done on Thursday, and hopefully you people were not available on Friday. So no worries, that day I have not taken any class. So what's today's activity is towards how to install our applications. See, once you yeah, see, once we start downloading QRadar apps, third party apps from Fix Central, that is App Exchange. We can download something like this. I have downloaded so many packages. See, there I have already said there are total different kind of packages are there. One is content package, and content extension, regular custom properties, application. Got it? There are total 4, as we have seen on that day. So these are the, and lastly the inbuilt QRadar apps, some of the things. And these are the 3 different types of packages. Content extension contains dashboards, rules, custom properties, as well as some set of reports, you can say. And custom properties, it will only provide custom properties. And finally, inbuilt applications is something like log source management, deployment, which starts with a QRadar basically. If it starts with QRadar and it is a inbuilt required application. Third party applications is something like use case manager, POS dashboard, network hierarchy management. There are so many things. So let me show you major components. There are more than 352 applications are there. For the sake of download, I have shown the way how to download and all. Once again, please visit the video if you have any doubt. So there is one thing called QRadar application data, that is Fix Central, where you can download upgrades, updates, ISOs, and interim fixes, major fixes, WinCollect data, DSMs, discontinued log collectors. So like that, there are so many options. And on the other side, this is something called App Exchange, where you can download third party application to enhance the log visibility. So there are something called, see, content packages. Basically it is related to all content packages, means it is basically related to more of reports and rules. Okay. And content extension is a combination of dashboards, you can say custom properties, you can say rules, as well as reports. And custom properties is exclusively reports. And finally, I already told, there is something called QRadar incident overview. These are the important applications which we will install. Today we will install at least 2 to 3, and I'll explain 1 or 2, okay, out of which. And see, if you talk about use case manager, this is third party application. Symantec Enterprise Protection, custom properties, Rule Explorer, that is use case manager again. UBA, that is user behavior analytics, though we don't have that capability installed over here, but it's okay. QRadar app editor is one more app editor, one more application. Advisor with Watson, I'll show you. There is some Mitre related Linux as well as Windows application. This is really more of rules and as well as custom properties of Mitre. We'll see how to upload all these things, okay, today. So we'll go towards for the class. For today's class, I'll show you something like, I will at least install first 3. One is log source management, network hierarchy management, operations, so that we can have a basic visibility how to do a app import to the QRadar. Okay. So first and foremost, you need to open QRadar admin tab. You should be admin first if you are installing some extension. So first and foremost, extension management. We need to go extension management. Once again, I am explaining. Here we need to have an option called add, and there is all items installed and not installed. All items means it includes both installed items and non installed items, and installed means exclusively installed, not installed means exclusively not installed. See, and the combination, if you see, if it is installed with no error, it will show something like this, and if it is not installed, it will show something like gray. We will see how to see. It's quite easy. Again, I'm showing. Go to admin, go to extension management. Here you need to add. Just click add. Now you need to browse the application where you have downloaded, the place where you have downloaded. I created some today's class. Yeah, today's class. See, here I am going to upload first and foremost one of the thing, and we'll follow by rest of the thing. First I am going to show you log source management, how to install a log source management, and what is different between native log source management and the present through application. What is the difference, what is the major differences, and we will see. Here you need to open. Here it is giving an option called immediate install, and it is recommended that not to install immediately. First add to upload this. First upload this item to QRadar, then do the installation. Otherwise we used to get some error some of the times. See, when I said this is in gray color if it is not installed, okay. If it is installed, it is blue color, okay. And if you go here, you will get installed items. It is one, not installed, but it is uploaded. See, it is not yet installed, it is in gray color, okay. So I am going to install this. There are some requirement of delete deployments. Okay, no worries, I'll show you. It is under process. It will take some 4 to 5 minutes to install. So network, see, log source management is one of the application. It is visibility of again log source. So we know the native log source. This is what here in admin tab. If you go down, you will get some log sources. This is the log source. If you double click, or you can say single click, you will get this kind of logs. See, these are the logs. But this is really you can say a very less graphical based, and it doesn't have some you can say search based download, you can say checks. So if I want to download on the basis of enabled on the basis of log source type, if I'm on the basis of protocols, if I want on the basis of success and delete, which is not possible here to search and all. So we need to see all, and we need to check all the one by one. But in a new version, see here it is also saying that the interface will become unavailable in future version of, and this is going to be discontinued, as there is a better version of log source management app available in App Exchange. Okay, so I don't want to see again. So if you see here, I think it has done. Yeah, by clicking, now it is asking to do the installation. Till time it was checked for verification whether it will it be compatible for this particular QRadar or not. Now it is asking to install. Just press install. Ranjit, are you now able to get that logs? So it is still under process to download, install. So by the time we can also do some of the other things. Just taking some more time to install. So basically these apps will provide so much of visibility on your activity. So if you after doing all this activity, you can feel it's quite easy now after installing multiple application in the Curador. Once we install, we will feel the extensive facilities of your Curador, and you will get most and most visibility at one point of location. Instead of doing multiple activities, you can, by clicking one activity, it will be more comfortable to get the data basically. It is taking some time. And it is personal request not to disturb while installing. Do not do escape or try to close the window or do some activities which is not actually recommended to while installing basically. Wait till it completes. There is no option for us. It's taking so much of time. It's not able to install because of some issue. I think it's okay. I'll add one more thing and see whether will that work or not. I think it has some undeployed changes. That's the reason